It all started with the notion of creating a rain shower head. I assumed they wanted me to create rain, and I was very like, whoa, that's cool. Like, let's do this. What we wanted to do is emulate nature, and nature is random. Shower heads are basically streams of water. They're not droplets, and so that's the differentiation between real rain and what a standard shower head can give you, is the formation of droplets. Droplets that fall at different rates and droplets that are different sizes. And then droplets also that are randomly scattered on the panel. It's more about the experience of the water and less about the actual object. Using gravity instead of pressure is a key differentiator between real rain and the other shower heads. We also had this concept of this deluge feature. Basically, you flow the appropriate amount of water and you ration out some of them and you keep some of the water in the device. And eventually it builds into a gallon or so. And then with a press of a button, release that water and have a full drenching deluge in a matter of seconds. This was a fail-fast kind of methodology where we made lots of prototypes and we learned at each step. Once you get the passion of like, oh, we're onto something, it gets really exciting. And then seeing people's reaction to it really gives you a sense of accomplishment that you did create something pretty special. And if something is novel and interesting and pushes the game a little further, there's a home for that here.